Got a cybersecurity headache? Eagerby malware is the culprit. Let Impress Computer Solutions turn things around. In today's world, cyber threats evolve faster than you can say password breach. Enter Eagerby, an advanced backdoor malware targeting ISPs and government entities aiming to steal sensitive data and disrupt operations. Eagerby's modular architecture allows it to deploy payloads, manipulate files, and execute commands remotely, all while evading detection. Scary, right? Well, fear not. Impress Computer Solutions in Houston specializes in defending businesses against threats just like Eagerby. Our advanced threat detection tools, robust endpoint security, and rapid incident response ensure your business stays protected. We don't just react, we're proactive. Regular security audits, employee training, and top-tier firewall implementations are just a few ways we build an ironclad defense for you. So don't wait until it's too late. Contact Impress Computer Solutions today and fortify your defenses against tomorrow's cyber threats. Stay secure, stay confident.